Hello friends, I hope you are well. In this tutorial video, we intend to discuss and examine how residual current devices or RCDs work. Residual current circuit breakers react to phase contact or electricity to the metal body of devices, detect it, and cut off the electricity for us. The only thing it does is cut off the electricity, but it does not do this in the case of a short circuit. This switch is of the residual current type. Residual current devices only react to leakage currents. But the combined residual current circuit breaker that also reacts to short circuits becomes the combined residual current circuit breaker or RCD. You can see an example of it here. When a short circuit occurs in the circuit, its miniature circuit breaker activates. And when it detects a leakage current, the leakage current switch or the residual current device operates. In this case, you see both of them go up together. For short circuits, this is for leakage current, and when we want to connect the circuit, if there is a short, it won't connect, but the leakage current part does operate like this. So this became RCB. This just became RCB. And overall, these two parts are known as residual current devices or leakage current switches. And the leakage current up to 30 milliamps, meaning below 30 milliamps, might not be dangerous, but if it exceeds 30 milliamps, because you are at the threshold of getting an electric shock, the leakage current breaker detects it and cuts it off quickly. And these RCDs only operate if the earthing system has been implemented and its resistance is below 2 ohms. Otherwise, in practice, if grounding is not implemented in the home or industrial system, practically these residual current devices, or the so-called RCDs, will effectively have no utility. Thank you for being with this video.